in a mess.
Yum yum.
Hey everyone, today's video is actually a viewer request video. When we put the kayak rack, did the install for it in the video, Shadow99 saw that and left a comment and said, could you show us how you load the kayaks in the video? So that's what the intention is today. But keep in mind, each of these kayaks is 12 feet long and they weigh 55 pounds a piece. It's just me and Cheryl. So sometimes when we put them onto the roof, it's not pretty, but we get the job done.
This is the folding 2 kayak system put out by Forwode.
It is one of the most complete systems that we've seen for, well, hauling kayaks. So what we're gonna do in the actual install video, I marked over here where I want these to come up to. Just catch a little bit right there. So it's marked in silver. So you undo this. What it's doing is it's releasing the teeth up here. Can you see that? Or in the back where you are too.
Yeah.
Okay. So we pre-marked these. So as I bring it up, you can see right there, that mark. That's how I know. Every time that we do this, all I gotta do is bring it right to there and it's exactly where I want it to be. There's no more playing around with it.
Here's the last one. So now we're going to put a strap on each J-hook. And to do that, I have these little footsteps that I put inside the door so that I can actually reach.
Pretty cool.
And then I go up, strap up. I can practically sit on the roof. Now to do this, this piece is going to go over the top. So I'm going to fish this end of the strap up over the top and through the hole. Now you'll notice there's no longer a separation here. What we did is we added a little electrical tape because the straps kept falling out of the holders.
Yeah, maybe about the only complaint we have about the...
Yeah, we needed to find some way to keep the strap from falling out. And then we're going to gently set it right there. That's one.
So we've come to the fun part now. Really work our muscles. We're going to be putting the kayaks up onto the rack.
We try to line up the cockpit between the 2 J-hooks.
Keyword there being try. Okay, now what we need to do is we need to turn it so the cockpit actually faces out.
So we got to get the strap over to the front of the kayak. We go down through the J-hook, under the crossbar, and back up. And oops, twisted. We're going to pull this up a little bit so we have more space.
You want to make sure that the rubber on the back of the buckle is faced towards the kayak.
So if we weren't on a open area, it would be laying flat on the kayak and it would be protected by the rubber. Then we put it through the buckle.
Yeah.
And then tighten it down. And then we just tie the excess to the strap.
She's strapping down the front of the kayak now.
So once again, down through the J-hook, underneath the crossbar, up through the J-hook, and into the buckle.
It's pretty much the way the company says to strap it down, but we just do one more step and we bring it around the crossbar.
tie off the excess.
I thought you meant we would put it up and up we go. Turn it. We did do some research out online as far as keeping the strap straight or getting any twists in it, and the verdict was kind of out. I mean, both of them were acceptable. Some people are saying that if you put at least a half twist into it, you don't have to worry about it vibrating, and other people say if it's twisted, it's going to vibrate. So we haven't really noticed anything with the way that we've been doing it, so we're not going to worry about it.
Just turn the radio on.
Now, as I said in the first video that we did on this, it is the most complete package that I've seen for any kayak holders for a roof rack, even the T-handles. So 2 of these are going to go up front, 2 are going to go in the back. Undo the hood. There. How long have we had this car? I forgot what this thing was. All right, now when we first were assembling this, we put them here, let them hang out. That's just a cheap piece of plastic, so we're not messing with that.
They ended up sliding up
they
anyways.
slid anyway. So we just bring them all the way up to there now.
One there. One there. Close the hood. And then 2 in the back. Now we're going to open the hatchback. And as you saw at the beginning of the video, if we do not hold it before it hits the kayaks, it's going to eat us. Not everything automatic is great.
No.
And this here, we're just going to lay them on the back so that their tails are sticking out. And we're going to close it.
I thought for sure it would go up. Just to mess with us. So as you can see right here, they are still sticking out.
And just pull them out a little bit more, and now we can put on the bow and stern lines.
Okay, so now we're going to put on the bow and the stern lines. These are not considered like the straps are.
They're a secondary precaution.
Yep. Chances are if something's wrong with those, you're going to see these going crazy in the windshield or the back window. Pull over, check if something could be wrong. But you just lock it on to something permanent up here like the handle. Bring it on down. Take the hook, get it around there, and I love that.
Here's the next one. Hooks it around the handle.
Going down.
Down to the T-strap. Puts the hook through. Tightens it up. And ties off the excess. Oh, and look at our little helper laying out in the sun.
We working you too hard, Pipe?
Goofball. One last time.
You almost ready to go kayaking then? We're almost done.
I am.
God knows the sun wants us to.
So there, the car is all set up to go kayaking. We're not quite ready yet, but the next time you see us, we will be at the Goshen Ocean.
All right, well, there you go. That's how we get our kayaks from our house to our playgrounds. There's a lot of ways to do it. We're not saying the way that we did it is the exact way it's supposed to be done. There's a lot of different ones out there. Just find whatever works for you and go with that. Whatever you feel comfortable with. But other than that, if you like what you saw, I would appreciate that thumbs up as always. You want to follow along with everything we do here on the WeRmudfun channel? Right down there in the corner, just click it and you're in. After you do that, don't forget to ring the bell and you'll be notified every time we put a new video out.
If you have any questions or comments, you can put them right down below, or you could just say hi.
Because we'll say hi back, we always do. Until our next video, I'm Chuck.
And I'm Cheryl.
We are WeRmudfun.
Mount Centipede.